Hey, there's an important little sticker on my boat right here on my gas cap that serves as an important reminder to never fill up with a 15% ethanol blended fuel, commonly known as E15. Why? Because E15 is not an approved fuel for my Yamaha Outboards. And that concerns me because in many markets, E15 is sold next to E10, which is safe to run in most modern outboards. What's more, E15 often sells for less than other fuels, making it tempting for boaters to try it. The trouble with E15 is it contains 50% more alcohol than E10, and that increases the risk of phase separation, where water and ethanol collect at the bottom of your fuel tank. If given the choice, fuel up with ethanol-free gasoline. It's worth the extra cost. If ethanol blended fuel is your only option, use only E10, as you risk damaging or even destroying your engine if you use E15. When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.